my name is Stephanie Linnane. I am excited to be in this class with everybody. I am currently working in the field as a case manager at a recovery residence. So I work with adult men who are coming out of rehab. They have 3 to 4 months in our program of free housing, case management, housing services, other support, group therapy, and in that time, the goal is for them to start working and identify permanent housing to be able to have a smoother transition and long-term sustainability. So prior to this, I was doing something completely different, working with mostly foster youth and sexually exploited children. So I did that first at a group home and then on our wraparound team. I do really love working with that population and with teenagers, and am hoping to go back to that after I complete my master's program. I am currently living in California, although we'll actually be moving to Atlanta, Georgia in another week and finishing off my last internship there. So I would say one of my goals in developing myself into a clinical social worker and from this class is kind of what we were talking about in the other post this week, which is continuing just to set boundaries and learn self-care. I do have a history of struggling with my own mental health and want to make sure that I am prioritizing that, which can be incredibly difficult to do in this field. And so I have to be very intentional about setting boundaries and about making my own mental health a priority, and doing what I need to do to have self-care in my life. And so I hope to continue to learn how to do that, and how to have a really healthy work-life balance. So I'm excited to get to know everybody and hopefully to continue to grow in those goals. Thank you.